Good evening. This is meteorologist J.J. Wood here at the National Weather Service in Sullivan. This is your Sunday evening weather briefing for Sunday, April 14th, 2019. This first image here that we're looking at is an estimate of the snow that fell across southeast Wisconsin today. You can see the highest amounts are in Racine and Kenosha counties, where we had a general 6 to as much as 9 inches of snow fell, especially in western parts of Kenosha County. Amounts less than that were observed along the lakeshore to the north and also the areas to the west of there. As you can see, south central Wisconsin, including Madison, did not see any snow. This was a very heavy, wet snow, very slushy, especially on the grassy areas where it really piled up. The roadways were generally wet, with some slushy accumulations noted in some of these heavier snow bands that had moved through. These snowfall amounts were quite a bit more than what we had forecast, mainly due to the fact that we weren't expecting the snowfall to be as intense for that long of a period of time, especially across Racine and Kenosha counties. So once again, this is an estimate of the snowfall. You'll see the official measurements, the final measurements really tomorrow morning after about 9 o'clock. We'll issue the final snowfall reports for this event. But for now, this is a good estimate of what has fallen so far across the area. This next image just shows kind of the highlights for the week. We're expecting the week to start out rather benign. We might see some showers move through the area Monday night into Tuesday, especially Tuesday morning. Otherwise, Monday and Tuesday we'll see mainly cloudy skies. We might see some peaks of sun on Monday in the morning before it gets cloudy in the afternoon. Temperatures will warm into the 50s well inland Monday and into the 60s again well inland on Tuesday. Onshore winds are going to keep things much cooler near Lake Michigan. As we get later in the week, especially Wednesday into Friday, we're expecting rounds of showers and thunderstorms to occur across the area with a warm front nearby. Where exactly that warm front will be will determine how warm our temperatures get during this time. If the warm front pushes north into the area or north of the area, we'll get quite warm. If it stays to the south of the area, we'll see those east winds, especially off Lake Michigan, keep us rather cool. So there's still some uncertainty as far as how warm we'll get. However, we're expecting rounds of showers and thunderstorms to occur, and we're expecting a fair amount of rainfall during this time, possibly as much as maybe 2 inches, maybe even more than that. It's still a little uncertain the exact amounts, but it looks like we're going to see a rather extended period of rain, off and on rain from these showers and storms over that period, again Wednesday into Friday. And this combined with the melting snow that we saw from the snow today, and then melting snow from up north from the snow they got up there, we're expecting rivers to rise across the area through the week and probably longer, given all this rainfall and melting snow that we're expecting. So keep an eye on the forecast, and especially if you live close to one of these rivers, keep an eye on our river forecasts to keep up with what we're expecting as far as the rises go and any impacts in those areas. Once again, keep up with the forecast, and thank you for listening. Have a great night.